Amdo Ko-Rae is popularly known as Amdo Bhag-lab. It is a popular delicacy among Tibetans. Most of the Tibetans used to eat Amdo Ko-Rae with amcha, vegetables, or with flavoring food spread. To prepare Amdo Ko-Rae, take some lukewarm water in a basin and add the starter dough. Starter is a small portion of dough which was kept after preparing Amdo Bhag-lab earlier. Starter should be mixed properly with lukewarm water and then add the wheat flour. Kneading of the dough should be done professionally, for which you require several practice. You should try to get a soft, fluffy dough. Dough should be prepared in such a way that it is smooth, consistent, and elastic. Kneaded dough should be kept in a basin covered by lid for 6 to 9 hours. After keeping it for about 6 hours, before preparing Amdo Bhag-lab, keep a small part of the dough as starter for preparing Amdo Ko-Rae for next time. Now take out the raisin dough from the basin onto a wok place dusted with wheat flour. Then take some baking soda in a small bowl. After adding some water into the small bowl with baking soda, mix water and the baking soda properly. The mixture of baking soda and water is then sprinkled onto the set dough and knead the dough for several times. While kneading the dough, use wheat flour to get consistent dough. Kneading should be done in such a way that we get a smooth, soft, and elastic dough. Repeat this step for several times. Kneading a consistent dough is must for preparing Amdo Ko-Rae. I must say that kneading is key to preparing good Amdo Bhag-lab. So knead the dough properly. After kneading the dough, you should divide the kneaded dough into 2 equal halves so that you can prepare 2 Amdo Ko-Rae from the prepared dough. Now shape the dough according to your cooking pan. For cooking, apply some vegetable oil onto the heating pan and keep it for 15 minutes under low flame. After 15 minutes, turn it over to cook the other surface of the Amdo Bhag-lab for 15 more minutes. Complete cooking of Amdo Ko-Rae requires 30 minutes under low flame. After that, your Amdo Ko-Rae is ready to eat.